Is this the First Amendment thing again? No, what I'm asking, the last time they came in, they said it was from some type of group. I was asking, was this the same organization? That's all.
Hey guys, it's Freedom News now. We're here on a First Amendment audit here at the Battle Creek City Hall. We're going and see if they respect our First Amendment rights to record in public. Let's do it. Battle Creek City Hall. Security. He's got security on his back, on his ratty sweatshirt. What security team do you represent? Private security. See, he's got nothing to say now.
I had nothing to say to begin with. I just asked you a question. What are you doing?
You tried to run me down.
Did I tell you to leave?
Just want to make sure that you understand that we have a right to record in here.
I asked you, what were you doing?
We have a right to be in here, so
Okay.
just record, that's all.
I have no problem with
I'm
it.
good with you and you can good with me, and we can go around, right?
Again, like I said, I had no problem with it. I just came to ask you, what were you doing? You told me. Did I try to stop you?
No,
Okay.
we didn't. No,
All right.
we didn't. You didn't try to stop me.
Okay.
I felt like you were bearing down on me a little bit behind me, trying to intimidate me a little bit because you're a big guy.
Well, somebody came and told me somebody was in the building, the camera. I came down to see what was going on. That's all.
And what was going on when you showed up?
No. Nothing. And
Well,
that's
I wasn't even recording.
but man, like I said, that's why I asked you what was going on.
All right.
No problem.
All right. You have a good day.
You too.
I'm going to get back to my work. I just wanted to come back.
I was making a lot of noise.
No, you're all right. You're fine. So, that one's a little different.
Is this the First Amendment thing again?
Well, it's part of the
Part of
First
the,
Amendment.
no, I mean,
Record and
the last,
document.
no, what I'm asking, the last time they came in, they said it was from some type of group. I was asking, was this the same organization? That's all.
Really? You're going to ask me a question like that? You're the one that belongs to an organization.
No, sir.
You're the one that belongs to a group, an organization, not me.
We're independent. There's no organization.
Okay. All right. Maybe I misquoted then. I apologize.
That's all right.
You know what you quote.
I love these old
That
letterboxes.
verbiage like that. You're the one that's part of an organization, not me. It's all right, though. You do your thing.
Yes, sir.
Do your thing. I appreciate you keeping this place safe and keeping these people feeling safe, but I have no nefarious intent. I'm just recording. So.
Okay. No problem.
Yep. And that's what I call the walk of shame, guys. Let's fully finish off this First Amendment audit walk of shame with some of your favorite free speech hand signals. Please like, share, follow to help us grow and educate more officers and citizens on our civil rights. As always, thank you for watching Freedom News Now First Amendment Audit, and we'll see you on the next one. FNN Audit, I'm out.